In this demo, I'm going to be walking through a custom Oracle WMS shipping management form. This form was originally designed for small package processing where the user could easily scan in the LPN, query up all of the details about that order, review the contents of the order, all the other LPNs on the order, the contents of those LPNs, the item, the quantities, and then the line status of all the lines on the order. So this form gives the user the visibility that they need to make sure that the order is in the correct status to perform the ship confirmation. You can go ahead and scan the LPN, click the Find button. You can see the results displayed here. Shows me all the customer information, customer PO, the ship to address, the ship method, has a field for the user to scan in the pallet LPN, and then the trip, delivery, and order number information on the right side there, along with the total number of LPNs on the order and the order count, which in this scenario is the number of orders shipping out that day to the same exact ship to address. On the right side here, you have functionality to print labels, which could be anything from a UCC 128 label to a generic shipping label to a carrier specific label like a UPS label or a FedEx label. Also has the ability to capture that tracking information and the rate information back into Oracle. The print docs button allows you to print the document set required for the shipment. So that could be a packing slip, a bill of lading, any kind of international documentation required for those shipments. And then the last button there is the ship confirm button, which does process the ship confirmation against the delivery that we just queried. On the address details tab, you can see additional information about the ship to and the ship from address. And then down below in this block, you see all of the order lines and their related information. So if the line has been picked and it's already been staged, you would see the LPN, you would see the contents of the LPN and the quantity, and then the applicable line status, which is stage pick confirmed. For lines that have not been picked, you would still see those lines, and they would be displayed at the very top here. And those could be any lines that have not been pick released, so they could be ready to release. They could be in a back ordered status like the one you see here, or they could be in a release to warehouse status, meaning that the users have not performed the pick confirmation for the task. So those lines obviously would cause some concern for the shipping user if they queried this order and this delivery and noticed that there were still some lines on that order that had not been pick released or tasks that had not been transacted yet. So that gives the users the visibility in a very presentable fashion that notifies them that there's some additional action items that need to be taken before this order could be ship confirmed. As I mentioned earlier, we can print the shipping labels that are carrier specific. This form's also been designed in other versions to handle the catch weight utility to capture the weight from interfaced scales, capture tracking information. You can also do rate shopping if you have those types of tools, third-party tools from software like Connect Ship or Global Ship or a Keywheel or something like that. We can easily interface to those modules and attain that information. So you could change the ship method on the fly, get a new shipping label, and capture that tracking label and that rate information back into Oracle. We can also capture all the manifesting information and print the manifest or the end of day file and all of those types of activities that require the interfacing to a third-party system outside of Oracle. So if you have any other questions, this is the custom Oracle WMS shipping management form. Feel free to contact us at levelscale.com or review the other demos that we have going on at levelscale.com/demo.